Hello friends, welcome to your infotech channel. The last class we have discussed about variable declaration. In the variable declaration we have seen how to declare a variable automatically and how to declare a variable with let keyword. So in this session I would like to explain some variables with var keyword and using constant keyword. Okay, so let me save the file where variables using var keyword var.html. So here we'll like variable declaration using var and constant. Okay, so let me take style h1, background color deep pink, color white, font size, so font size 40 pixels, padding 10 pixels. Right click, open in default browser. Okay, now go to this Visual Studio. So let me create a script here. Okay, so here variable declaration using var condition, var keyword. Okay, so var is used to world browsers. Okay, so var we can use it in up to 2015. So let was introduced after 2015. Okay, so var keyword was used in all JavaScript, the code from 1995 2005. Let and constants were added in the JavaScript in 2015. Okay, so var keyword is only we can use it. Okay, it is written for the older browsers. Okay, now for var keyword. Okay, so let me create a simple program. Before that I'm creating one h1 here. For h1 trying to set id equal to demo. Okay, so here, so I may use var x equal to 20. Okay, var y equal to 30. Okay, I'll combine this one using var keyword. Var z equal to x plus y. Okay, so here am I using addition operator. Okay, and adding two operands x plus y. Now let me take here document dot get element by id. Okay, so in that let me take an id name demo. Okay, next we'll take inner html and I'll pass a value here. Okay, the value of z is, okay, I used concatenation symbol and I may use here z value. Okay, so let me run this one on the browser. Go to this browser once, just reload this page. So here we are taking h1, right? I make it to h2. Okay, now reload this. The value of z is 50. Okay, like we could use var keyword. Okay, next thing, constant. For constant, let me use one more h2. So here I'm taking id equal to demo1. Okay, for declaring a constant variable. So constant is used for whenever the fixed values is there. Okay, for fixed values only we will use a constant. So constant especially we can use for birth date. Okay, birth date is a constant for all the users. Okay, all the human beings having only one birth date, so we can use like that. Okay, using constant. Okay, so I may take here const. Okay, const a equal to 40, const b equal to 30. Okay, same we can write here. So I'm using here multiplication operator. Okay, c equal to a multiplication b. Okay, so let me print this one on the browser using this document.getElement by id method. So demo1 value of c, we can write here c. So go to this browser, still at this page. So here we mention some gap, right? So it is gap. So just reload this. So we'll get a value here, value 1200. Okay, now so for constant, okay, so for constant values we are always declare the variables. Okay, so always use constant, the value should not be changed. Okay, so always use constant. Okay, if the type should not be changed, either it is an array, either it is an object. Okay, and for constant value, okay, it will support in latest browsers where compared to the var. Okay, so var must be supported for the older browsers. Okay, and let me show you what is the difference between var and let keyword. Okay, see, for difference between var and let is var keyword and let keyword. Okay, so here var we can access within the block of code. Okay, sorry, let keyword and will access within the block of code. Var is a global scope. Okay, so we have two scopes is there. So inside of scope and outside of scope. Outside scope is called as a global scope. Okay, so we can declare we can create a block here. To create a block, this is a block. Okay, so here I'm trying to write let number equal to, or else let string equal to welcome to UI infotech. Welcome to UI infotech channel. Okay, so I want to access this string outside of this block. Okay, so I'm trying to access, this is a string literal. I want to access this outside of this one. Okay, let me take your console.log sto. Okay, so we may get a type error, reference error, saying that we can't access this let variable outside of this scope. So let me go to this browser, still at this page, right click, go to this inspect and go to the console part. So str is not defined. Okay, so we may access this let, okay, inside of block. So we'll get here an output saying that welcome to UI infotech. Okay, so same let. Okay, So here instead of let I may use here var keyword. So we can get the output here. Okay, that is the difference between var and let keyword.